is Austin Ramos. I'm the team captain and guard for the Uno High School basketball team.
My name is Steven Choa, co-captain and forward for the Uno basketball team. 我们在进攻和防守端都需要更好的配合和沟通。
We learned that we need to communicate better, and we must learn how to play better as a team, and most importantly, we need to improve on our defense and shooting skills.
我们很有信心，在团队的共同努力下，将带领我们取得一个成功的赛季。
You can expect us to give our best in every single game.
To my fellow Unions, we invite you to come watch our games in the upcoming PCYA Season 11.
老师、家长们，来看我们比赛吧
Let's go Uno!
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy!
I am Baseball Balls Team Captain Garrett Uy, and I am an open spiker.
RJ Bagay, Base Academy Basketball Guard.
Hi, I'm Base Volleyball's co-captain Jasmine Reño, and I'm a middle blocker.
I'm Wayne Baraldilo. I play for Base Academy. I am part of the basketball team, and my position is guard.
So this time as the team captain, I want to learn how to lead my team. We've been working really hard during the off-season. Well, we've been grinding, hustling, and putting all those hours, come up with a good team.
I learned that we need to improve on our defense and our playmaking instead.
We are playing more scrimmages and chill-ups so that we can gain more experience and learn to play with each other better.
We've been working really hard, and hopefully we'll be able to show everyone how we play base.
We would like to invite you to watch our games this PCYA Season 11. Show that base right.
Come watch us play. 北极中学加油
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $999. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
Nag-iinit na hapon at nag-iinit din ang aksyon dito sa Jumbo Plastic 11th season of PCYAA. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Coach Chris King de la Cruz bringing to you the action between Uno High School and Pace Academy, who will clash in our first game of our triple header, and later on in our second game masasaksihan natin ang laban ng Jubilee Christian Academy laban sa Philippine Cultural College, and for our day cap, the MGC New Life Christian Academy laban sa St. Jude Catholic School. Makita natin ang ating team standings as of this moment. Uno High School sitting at second place in our team standings and would have a chance to grab that solo second for in entering the quarterfinals, which will start next week. And if they win their last game on Tuesday, sila na ang magiging second place or dito sa ating torneo. Paliwanag ko lamang po, no, mga kaibigan na nanonood, our tournament format, the top 2 teams who will finish this tournament, no, will be seeded in the semifinals and will be waiting, no, for the winners of the quarterfinals, the 3 versus 6 and the 4 versus 5, and they will have twice to beat advantage coming into the semifinal round. And for our finals, we will be having a best of 3 finals format this year. And yan, nakikita nyo na sa screen ang ating mga players from Pace Academy. They will be bannered again by Wayne Barandino and the Chen brothers. So, ito yung mga nagdala sa kanila talaga dito, no? Dalawang Chen at si Wayne Barandino, who's averaging more than 35 minutes per game this season. And on the part of Uno High School, they will be bannered by Austin Ramos. At makikita natin ngayon ng ating mga officials, a season crew chief Bib Amante. Here we go for this match-up this afternoon. Uno High School versus Pace Academy. And Pace Academy gets the first crack, the possession for this game. Wayne Barandino being bothered by Showa. Nelson Chen. Ken Chen, short jumper is good. Austin Ramos now. John Michael Bautista loses it. Wayne Barandino zigzagging back to Nelson Chen. Ken Chen, nothing there. Austin Ramos, forward pass to John Michael Bautista. Perez, three-pointer is good. Lamang na po ang Uno High School as Kenneth Chen challenges the defense of Jarvis Murray. He was fouled there upstairs. Kenneth Chen, the main guy of Pace Academy, behind the free throw line, missing that first free throw. 8 minutes, 50 seconds, 7 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Chen sank the second one. We are tied at 3-all. Pace Academy employing full court press, which was broken by Uno. Showa now. Back to Austin Ramos. 3-point shot is not there. Jarvis Murray, second chance. Austin Ramos driving through the middle, kicking it out to Perez for the 3. Not there this time. Wayne Barandino now. Trying to direct traffic for Pace Academy. He wanted to pass that ball to Go. Johnson or Mitchell Go, but they were bothered by the defense of Uno High School. 15 seconds to shoot for Pace Academy. Nelson Chen now being bothered by Perez. Handing it off to Kokabo. Kicks it out to Wayne Barandino using that Nelson Chen screen. Nelson Chen, favorite shot, no good. Grant C, the energy guy for Uno for that rebound. John Michael Bautista, outside shot, no good. Perez, second serving, being bothered by two blue shirts. Blocked there by Go. And mapupunta ang possession ngayon sa Pace Academy. 7 minutes 48 seconds to shoot or remaining in the first quarter. Wayne Barandino now trying to find a friend. Finds Kenneth Chen. Barandino. Nelson Chen drives, sidesteps, and it's good. 5-3 now is the count for Pace Academy. John Michael Bautista, he is good for that hoop and harm. Fouled upstairs there. Foul will be against Nelson Chen. His first. Tingnan natin yun sa ating replay. Good entry pass there from Grand C. John Michael Bautista completes that three-point play. Lamang na po ang Uno High School, 6-5. 7 minutes, 6 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Play disrupted here. Ian Perez being called for his first personal foul. 13 foul now for Uno High School. Banggit ko nga sa inyo kanina, in our pre-game, this game will be crucial for Uno High School as this game, if they win it, will propel them to have a stronghold of that solo second place and would have a chance to have a hold on that first place if they win against St. Stephen. Austin Ramos. Showa slicing through the middle. No good. Battle for the rebound. Babalik ang possession sa Pace Academy. 6 minutes 35 seconds left. Kokabo. Christian Chen, pinasok na Wayne Barandino, 3-point shot, no good. Grand C and Christian Chen contesting that loose ball. Christian Chen being called for that personal foul. Babalik ngayon ang possession para sa Uno High School. Austin Ramos sidesteps, and that's good. Tatlo na po ang kalamangan ng Uno High School, 8-5, 5 minutes, 55 seconds remaining. Christian Chen. And he will be called for a 8-second backcourt violation. Good defense there. Full court press defense by Uno High School. Waiting that turnover. Give and go. Choa in the middle. Grand C, second serving. He will be fouled upstairs. Grand C on the line, averaging 7.2 points per game, 14.8 rebounds, 2.8 assists. Makes the first. Grand C already has 3 rebounds. Perez, second serving. Choa fakes his defender. No good. Perez again. Offensive rebound. And that will be good for Perez. Ian Perez. Good pressure defense now for Uno High School. Austin Ramos passing it to the wrong man. Kokabo feeds Lim alone for that layup. 11-7 is our count. 5 minutes, 7 seconds remaining in this first quarter of our triple header this afternoon. Uno High School lamang po. Grand C. Passes it to Choa. John Michael Bautista sort of the 3. But 3-second violation matatawagan dito sa Uno High School. Ian Perez bumabad ng matagal sa shaded area. Pace Academy notching their first win last Thursday as Wayne Barandino, great find there, passing the ball to Carl Lim. He was fouled upstairs. Grand C challenging that shot. Good hustle there for the energy guy of Uno High School. Carl Lim now. Carl Lim, good contributor para sa mga bataan ni Coach Mike Oliver, averaging 9.2 points per game and 7.2 rebounds per outing. Dagdag mo pa yung 2 assists per game. Solid contributor for Pace Academy. 4 minutes, 37 seconds remaining. Ian Perez unchallenged there for that undergo stab. Wayne Barandino having a difficult time to cross that line. Nelson Chen being bothered by 2 white shirts. And sandali lamang. Grand C grimacing in pain. Carl Lim, let's see. And ayun, makita natin sa ulo, tinamaan ni Carl Lim. The intensity is so high in this kind of games. Uno High School really want to have a stronghold of those one or two positions, which is why really they're giving it all. And Pace Academy, on their part, they would want to wrap up this tournament on a high note. As I've said earlier, they notched their first win last Tuesday against Jubilee Christian, or rather, Grace Christian College. As we see here, Coach Yu on our screens. We're back in action now. C, side-stepping move, no good. Kokabo being bothered by Austin Ramos. Again, that on-ball defense of Uno High School working. Good escape there, but wala lang yung basket. 3 minutes, 45 seconds remaining. Steven C. Wayne Barandino now. Chen in the middle. And that's good. Good positioning by Chen. Good recognition by Kokabo. Extra pass there. Dalawa lang ng puntos ang hinahabol ng Pace Academy. Austin Ramos from the parking lot. No good. Christian Chen for the rebound. Lim now. Off to Nelson Chen. Lim. Zigzagging from the elbow. It was short. kinulang dun ng ere. Yung tira, yung puwersa sa legs. Ang ganda na nung crossover, ang ganda na nung kawala. Force lang dun sa legs. We're back in action. Pace Academy. Full court press of their own. Ian Perez, 3-point shot. No good. Lim. Off to the races now. Balik kay Wei Barandino. Nelson Chen faking off Choa. Lim. Ken Chen corner 3. No good. Nelson Chen recovers it, but he will be fouled. Will be against John Yu. And we're in the penalty situation para sa magkabilang koponan. Nelson Chen drilling his first free throw. (13-12) para sa Uno High School. Nelson Chen good on that second free throw. And we're all tied up at 13 points. All 2 minutes, 29 seconds remaining. Chen, mid-range jumper is good. Good defense there for Pace Academy. But Christian Chen being over-eager there. And his team is in the penalty now. He will be shooting 2 free throws for John Yu. Pace Academy leading now 15-3. 13, so rather 15-13. 1 point lead now for Pace Academy. Christian Chen. Oh, nice cut there from Kenneth Chen. The Chen connection. Nelson Chen to Kenneth Chen doing wonders. And that will be a charge against Uno High School. Ian Perez being called for his second personal foul. He will be subbed out for this last 1 minute and 52 seconds. Wayne Barandino is still scoreless in this game. Tries his best to be a good facilitator for his teammates. Yan naman ang talagang role nitong si Wayne Barandino. Is a pass first point guard. Kenneth Chen receiving that inbounds pass. Slicing through the middle, but he will be fouled. He went against a phalanx of white shirts in the middle. John Yu will be called for his second personal foul. Pace Academy 3-point lead. Kenneth Chen missing that first free throw. Malakas pa rin for the second, and he'll be called for a lane violation. Balik ngayon ang possession para sa Uno High School. Tatlong hinahabol nila, 17-14 para sa Pace Academy. 1 minute 40 seconds remaining. Austin Ramos now directing traffic against Kenneth Chen, but will be fouled. He will troop the line. Because both teams now are in the penalty. Low scoring game for our first game. Good defense being shown here by both teams, especially Pace Academy with their pressure defense in the back court. Austin Ramos missing the first free throw and drills in the second. Austin Ramos, the main guy for Coach Matthew Yu. 2 points, averaging 21.4 points per game and 5.8 rebounds together with 4.2 assists. As Carl C misses that. Grant C now. Austin Ramos fakes his defender, kicks it out to Showa from 3. That's good. Steven Showa. Kokabo. Back to Nelson Chen. Good. Pass to Ken Chen. No good. Ken Chen, corner 3. And that will be good. Kenneth Chen, 8 points now in the game. Sizzling hot offensively. Stroking that one from the corner. John Michael Bautista, Wang Tachi, being bothered by 2 blue shirts. Steven Showa thought about the 3. Sidestep, no good. Kokabo now, 2-on-1 break. Chen, 5 straight points for Kenneth Chen. 16 seconds remaining. Let's see, anong isasagot ng mga bataan ni Coach Matthew Yu. Last 10 seconds. Austin Ramos dancing his way. 3-point shot from Masangkay, no good. Showa! And that will be it for this first quarter. Pace Academy leading Uno High School by 3 points, 21-18. We will be back as we see here. First quarter highlights brought to us by Sports. Austin Ramos slicing through. Kokabo, nice find there for Carl Lim. This has been a very productive quarter for Pace Academy, and we will be right back after this break.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we're back here at the Don Domingo Yu Chu Memorial Gymnasium of Uno High School. As we see here, our dear Sir Milton Yu of Uno High School. Friends from Uno High School there supporting their players. Much love here being showed by the home crowd, and our second quarter is brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. We're underway. Grand C kicking it out to John Michael Bautista. Strong on that corner 3. Wayne Barandino recovers it. Off to the races. Wayne Barandino gives it up to Nelson Chen, who slices through the middle. Malakas on that layup. Wang Tachi recovers the rock. Steven Showa now directing traffic against Kokabo. Austin Ramos, 3-point shot. Still nothing there. Carl Lim secures the board. Wayne Barandino would want to slow it down. Gives it to Nelson Chen. Carl Lim being bothered by Grand C. Barandino, 3-point shot. No good. Second chance opportunity now for Pace Academy. Barandino, baseline jumper, and he was blocked there by John Michael Bautista. Austin Ramos now off to the horse. Races, slicing through the middle. Showa up and under, and it will be good for Steven Choa. Pressure defense now for Uno High School. Broken down now by Pace, slicing through. Carl Lim. Strong drive to the basket for that hoop and harm. Be fouled upstairs by Grand C. Let's see. Carl Lim. That move there for the hoop and the harm. Nakawala dun sa pagsigsag. Carl Lim. No basket. He will be called for that lane violation. First 2 points by Carl Lim of that hoop and harm. 8 minutes 30 seconds remaining this quarter. Austin Ramos. Long three from Abad Santos is good. 6 points now for Austin Ramos. Meanwhile, for Pace Academy, Nelson Chen, 8 points from his favorite spot in the mid-range. Pace Academy still leading by 2, 25-23. Grand C missing that mid-range jumper. Tumatakbo na naman po ngayon ang mga nakaasul ng Pace Academy. Step back jumper. Wayne Barandino, no good. Austin Ramos now pushing the tempo. Zigzags and malalim ang pagkakadukot. And it will be touched last by a white jersey. Balik ngayon ang bola sa Pace Academy. 7 minutes 37 seconds remaining. 25-23 is our count. Pace Academy still leading. Nelson Chen gives it up. Hindi nagkaamo yan. Yung dalawang magkakampi doon. Di malaman kung sinong tatanggap doon. Kung si Kenneth Chen ba or si Go. So ay balik ang possession ngayon sa Uno High School. Oh, good extra pass inside from Grand C to Jarvis Murray. But Jarvis Murray will be fouled upstairs. Be fouled by Wayne Barandino. First personal foul. Jarvis Tyler Murray, 14 years old, and see this young, tall guy. Sky's the limit for this boy. Averaging 4.6 points, 13 points, rebounds as Grand C slices through Badillo, but he will be fouled there by Mitchell Go. As he was trying to create for that second chance opportunity. 14 seconds to shoot. Let's see here. Offensive rebound there by Tyler or Grand C. Fouled by Mitchell Go. Austin Ramos, crossover move. He was bothered there by Kukabo. 7 seconds to shoot now for Uno High School. 6 minutes 56 seconds to shoot. Austin Ramos, 3-point shot again, no good. Tyler Murray, offensive rebound. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, no? Jarvis Tyler Murray averaging 13.4 rebounds per game, imposing his might inside as he is a matchup nightmare inside here. So we see here the Uno faithful applauding as Jarvis Murray sinks in his first free throw, second free throw. Strong. Nelson Chen recovers the letter for Pace as Lim misses that layup. Grand C, extra pass to John Michael Bautista, no good. Again, Jarvis Mari for that cleanup job. The hoop and the harm. Imposing his height inside. Let's see. Unselfish move there from Grand C and Jarvis Mari. Right place and the right time for the cleanup job. And he completes the three-point play. Lamang na po Uno High School 27-25. Pressure defense now against the Pace Academy. Austin Ramos. Jump ball situation there. Possession arrow. Pace Academy babalik ang bola sa mga naka-blue shirts. 6 minutes, 20 seconds remaining in this first half. Very exciting game. Tightly contested. Ocabo now. Carl Lim being bothered by Steven Choa. There's a switch. Nelson Chen kicks it out to Ocabo. Ocabo, mid-range jumper. No good. Grancy protects the leather. Austin Ramos now finding his basket. No good. But again, Jarvis Tyler Mari. 6 points now in the game. Again, with that offensive rebound, makikita natin, no? Imposing his height. Gets that foul and the basket. 9 points now for Tyler Mari. And Coach Mike Oliver have seen enough. He will be calling a timeout. 30-25 is our count. Lamang po ang Uno High School will be back.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire up to 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
And again, we're back here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium as we see here the faithful of Uno High School trooping their home court to support their home team, their beloved home team. Nalamang ngayon ng 5, 30-25 as Coach Mike Oliver called the ceasefire. Trying to contain the storm. Tyler Mari on his part, scoring the last 5 points for Uno High School. Carl Lim, no good from the corner from Lau. Grand C passing it to the wrong guy. Nelson Chen, 2-on-2. Goes to his right, but he was bothered by Steven Choa. Nelson Chen baseline and uses the glass for that easy 2. Nelson Chen, 10 points now. Napakatahimik na production from Nelson Chen. 10 points. 5 rebounds. Grand C at the post. Short pass to, again, Tyler Mari. 9.7 rebounds. Carl Lim answering back on the part of Pace Academy. 32-29 is our count. 4 minutes, 47 seconds remaining. Uno High School still leads the game. Steven Choa gives it to John Michael Bautista. 4-3, no good. Wayne Barandino pushes it, but he will be buttered and fouled by Austin Ramos on that fast break attempt. First personal foul for Austin Ramos. Only the second team foul for Uno High School. Back in action, Wayne Barandino slices through the middle, but the great wall of Mari was there to butter and smother that shot from Wayne Barandino. 14 seconds to shoot now for Pace. Nelson Chen in the middle wants to shake off his defender, Kokabo. Barandino couldn't handle the ball. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Floater, no good. And second chance opportunity. Sandali lamang. Let's have a clarification. Shot clock expired, but Coach Mike Oliver was contesting it. Tumama ang bola sa ring, which is why Pace Academy will be retaining possession, and we'll be joined by our friend now, Gino Esteban Lar at the panel. Gino, exciting itong laro na to, no?
Yes, Coach. Thank you for having me. So, definitely a lot to expect in this ball game here. Very close contest. Uno High School right now is on top, 3 points. Pace Academy giving them a run for their money.
I've been telling the implications of this game. Can you please brief our viewers, na mga nakaka-tune in pa lang sa atin, gaano ka-importante yung laro na to for Uno High School?
Sure, Coach. So Uno High School here actually has a chance to secure somewhere in between the top 1 and 2 seeds. See, they only have 2 games remaining. This being this one and their final game against St. Stephen, the first seed who is undefeated. Definitely a game that they have to win, Coach. This is play in the playoff contentions. High seeding is extremely important for these teams. And if Uno wants to really contend for the championship, it will really greatly help them out if they are able to secure somewhere between the top 1 and 2 seeds. So this game in particular is extremely important.
And we'll talk about more of that as Pace Academy would want to weather the storm. They will call a timeout, 36-29. Uno High School ahead. We'll be back.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
We're back here at the Don Domingo Yu Chu Memorial Gymnasium. Uno faithful really supports, showing that love with that beautiful faces on their screen. Coach Chris King de la Cruz po, kasama si Gino Esteban Lar, bringing you the action of our triple header, starting with this exciting game between Pace Academy and Uno High School. Uno High School, no? Nabanggit na ni Gino kanina before timeout. No? Talagang malaki yung implication sa kanila for this game. That stronghold on that solo second.
Yes,
at stake. No?
Yes, Coach. Actually, Uno right now is 4-1 in the standings, so extremely key that they come away with a win here to set themselves up for possibly even taking the first seed away from St. Stephen in their final game.
And we have a foul there. Third team foul now for Uno High School. Tyler Mari. Intense ball game now for the tall young guy. 9 points now for the game. But he fouled Carl Lim in the process. Carl Lim now with 9 points. Simplihan lang tong laro nitong mga taga-Pace, no? Pero makikita mo, Gino, the silent contributions. Carl Lim 9 points, Nelson Chen 10 points. Keeping Pace Academy at bay within striking distance. But
more than just the even contribution, Coach, they're also pushing the pace, pun intended.
Wayne Barandino now. 3-on-2 break. Slices through. Would want to drop that pass.
Looked like he tried to rush it there.
Nelson Chen, but they were bothered by the defense, the transition defense na napakabilis bumaba ng Uno High School. 18 seconds to shoot now for Pace Academy. Nelson Chen. Slicing shoe. Would want to challenge Ian Perez. Gives it up to Carl Lim. Lau now. Wage raid jumper. No good. Ian Perez secures the board.
Uno doing a good job there to keep the composure on defense, grabbing the board and saving the possession for the white shirts.
Austin Ramos kicks it out to Ian Perez. Being bothered by Lim. 8 seconds to shoot. Austin Ramos zigzagging. No problem from Austin Ramos, who drills that jumper from the baseline.
That was a sweet hezzy. That was a sweet hezzy there from Austin Ramos. Getting that bucket to go over the two defenders.
And second chance opportunity for Nelson Chen, who has 12 points in this game. Ganda ng gising ni Nelson Chen. Grand C with that hoop and the harm.
Patient move there from Grant C. Taking his time, one dribble, Euro step, keeps his composure, soft touch at the rim. Let's see that again here.
You see here, Nelson Chen with that second serving, the previous possession. Dito naman makikita natin Grant C, no? Zigzagging his way. And he recognized that he has the height advantage over two Pace Academy defenders in that possession.
And that's important, Coach, because shades of Kyle Anderson actually slow-mo on that Euro step, using his length while at the same time keeping his balance, composure, able to get that layup off easy and get the foul to go along with it.
And again, that pressure defense of Uno High School doing wonders for them as Austin Ramos would want to challenge Christian Chen inside. Lost the ball. Touch last by blue shirt. 19 seconds to shoot for Uno High School. 9-point lead. Hawak-hawak nila Austin Cho. Or passes the ball. Chen with that.
Kenneth Chen, good job running there. Wayne Barandino also with the forward pass to give his man the open layup and the bucket.
Kenneth Chen molested there for that layup. Again, active hands in defense for Pace Academy, creating that turnover. Speaking of turnover, Uno High School, no? Meron ng 8 turnover as we see here. The nice pass by Wayne Barandino to Kenneth Chen for that finish.
Well, actually, Coach, you mentioned Uno has 8 turnovers already. Score is essentially tied there in the turnover department, but Pace Academy still with a long way to go before they can come back in this game. Still down 7.
That will help the cause of Pace Academy. Getting down fast on transition, bothering each fast break attempt of Uno High School. Balik ngayon sa Pace Academy ang possession. Wayne Barandino. Christian Chen. Oh, good drop pass, but Kenneth Chen running out of real estate underneath. He will turn the ball over. And it's Coach Matthew Yu utilizing a timeout. Mabalik po kami 41-34. Uno High School lamang. We'll be back.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
See the beautiful faces here joining us live from the Don Domingo YouTube Memorial Gymnasium of Uno High School as the Uno faithful shows love for their team. Still ahead, 41-34, 45.5 seconds remaining in this first half. Also commend the grit of this Pace Academy, not wanting to really give up early, doing the right things in this first half to keep themselves within striking distance. And that is short for a three-pointer.
Yeah, that nice shot there.
Shane Wong, Kenneth Chen, Carl Lim being bothered by two white shirts. Wayne Barandino, Carl Lim, Christian Chen, and that will be good. 8 seconds remaining in the first half. C gives it up. John Michael Bautista, and that will be short. And that will be it for this first half. Lamang po ang Uno High School 41-36. As we will see here, we'll be back for this halftime break.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Para sa Smart Super Value Deals.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we are at the half. Lamang po ang Uno High School 41-36 as we now see the halftime highlights brought to us by Smart Sports. See here, yung mga silent contributors. Gino na pag-usapan natin kanina, no? Nelson Chen, Carl Lim keeping Pace Academy within striking distance, and dito naman sa panig ng Uno High School, Jarvis Mari doing the damage in that second quarter pull away.
Well, Coach, looking into how the teams did in the first half, you see here Kenneth Chen on the fast break. That is what has been key to Pace Academy, keeping pace with the white shirts of Uno High School, is they were able to actually get out on the break and convert on the turnovers. You see here, turnover battle 10-8, assists, Pace Academy in the lead there. Generally, this is a close game, Coach, but what's important for both teams here is that they maintain their habit of doing the right things, both on offense and defense. They remain patient on offense. They play hard on defense. They execute their sets, particularly for Pace Academy. I think what's key for them is that they continue to do the right things that they have been doing throughout this game. While on the side of Uno, they need to remember who they are. They are a team with only one loss to date. They are a team who is in the second seed, fighting potentially for first, fighting potentially for a championship. So they just need to maintain their composure, and particularly for Jarvis Tyler Mari, who has been leading Uno High School today, needs to be able to keep it going. He needs to remain calm. He needs to be able to avoid those fouls so that he can stay on the court and hopefully lead Uno to the win here in the second half.
As we see here, the family members of our players want also to stress one factor that kept Pace afloat during the first half is that the bench contribution. Bench points for Pace Academy, 13 points compared only to 5 points by the bench of Uno High School. I think that spelled the difference. Kaya nasa within striking distance lamang din talaga ngayon ng Pace Academy, trailing only by 5. Their bench keeping them within that striking distance, safe distance, kumbaga. Sabi mo nga, this Pace Academy team has been doing the right things starting from that opening tip-off, and sustain lang nila, no? Consistently do the right things that they've been doing.
Yes, Coach, and particularly when it comes to the right things here, it's forcing those turnovers, getting those steals, playing excellent defense, and more importantly, converting. You see here 14-0 in fast break points in favor of Pace Academy. Indeed, pushing the pace here are the Pacers.
That also speaks a lot of their transition defense. As we see here, John Michael Bautista from the elbow. And that's good.
J.M. Bautista there taking the open three, pushing the lead back up to 8 for Uno High School.
Press break here for Pace Academy. Carl Lim, potential 4-point play in the making.
Carl Justin Lim there. Top three-pointer, hand in his face, body in his. Gets that three-pointer to go and the foul. As you see here. You see here, falling down, hand in his face, still gets it to go is Carl Justin Lim.
Carl Justin Lim. 13 points now. And this Pace Academy squad just won't go away as they're just trailing by 4 points, 44-40.
Interesting here, Coach, is that Pace Academy is essentially out of the running for the playoffs, but they're really still bringing the fight to Uno High School. That's the type of attitude you still want to see from all members of, from all teams in this league. You want to make sure that they're always competitive, regardless of their standing, regardless of their placing. This is the type of attitude that we want to instill in these young kids as early as now.
Helter-skelter basketball there. Austin Ramos bothering that pass. And in turn, creating the turnover against Pace Academy. 8 minutes, 56 seconds remaining. Yan, nabalik tayo sa sinasabi mo kanina, Gino, no? This Pace Academy squad would want to end this campaign with a bang. And Austin Ramos would also want to send a bang. But he misses from top of the key.
Well, like you said, Coach, they do definitely want to end this with a bang. Pace Academy having a history of producing some excellent athletes, the likes of Gia Chu, Clive Sfong of UE. They would want to end a campaign like this respectably and coming out with a win against a top seed here like Uno High School.
Tawag dyan, no? If ever Pace Academy will able to snatch this win, nakabulag pa sila, no?
Exactly.
Kasi they're out of contention, but really, they're really playing their hearts out today. As we see here, Carl Lim back to Barandino. Again, Carl Lim, another three from the elbow. Not this time. Ian Perez protects the rock. Showa against two blue shirts. No good. Kenneth Chen off to the horses, zigzagging. Gives it to Christian Cheng, and the back is open on the Saturday for Christian Chen.
Excellent pass there by Kenneth Chen on the break. Going at full speed as you see here, a turnover. An offensive foul by Uno High School brings the ball back to Pace Academy.
Wayne Barandino sacrificing his body. We're now tied up at 44 all with 7 minutes 29 seconds remaining. Frustration, Gino, eh. Yung nangyayari sa Uno High School, they're committing those small turnovers, those violations. They cannot really get rid of this gritty.
Well, if they want to be able to
Pace
pull
Academy
away,
team.
Coach, yes. They do not want to have these tiny turnovers, these avoidable, unforced errors to have them haunt them in this game. They want to maintain their composure, they want to take care of the basketball, and they want to execute their sets in order for them to come out with this win here.
Pace Academy, no good. Empty possession there. Good defense by Uno High School, staying the course, being patient. But Pace Academy will be committing a foul here. Wayne Barandino still scoreless in 20 minutes of action in this ball game. He averages around 33.4 minutes. As we see here, another turnover from Uno High School. Kenneth Chen. Counter stolen by Austin Ramos. Carl Lim now. Austin Ramos slices through the middle. But the defenders there of Pace Academy stood their ground. Forces Austin Ramos to commit a traveling violation.
Austin Ramos definitely trying to find his way, slither his way into the paint even, but took a little too many steps there, gets called for the travel and the turnover.
Kenneth Chen now being bothered by two white shirts. Barandino fakes, runs through the middle, kicks it out. Kenneth Chen, and it's good. Kenneth Chen, 15 points now, the main guy of Coach Mike Oliver.
Great job there by Wayne Barandino. Used to being the first option on offense. Still scoreless today, but excellent hard drive there to the ring. Kicks it out to the open man, Kenneth Chen, who has been hot all game for the Pacers.
Good box outing job there by Pace Academy. But Wayne Barandino Austin Ramos now. Left-handed layup. Good. 12 points now for Austin Ramos.
Austin Ramos, the tough guard. Small bump. A little bit of a Euro move there. Gets the bucket to go off of that move.
And what a beautiful circus layup there from Kenneth Chen. Ang lalim ng dinukot nun.
Kenneth Chen, one fell swoop, one smooth motion. Just brings the ball around one time, off the Euro step, gets it to go.
Swabing swabe, no? Pero ito, hindi magiging swabe para sa mga bataan ni Coach Matthew Yu as they will turn over the ball again para sa panig ng Pace Academy. Palitan ng tao ngayon para sa panig ng Uno High School. Balik si John Michael Bautista and Wang Tachi. Tyler Murray, who was their main guy in that second quarter, is not yet seen here. He's nursing 3 fouls. Wayne Barandino. Ball away. Nothing there. Wang Tachi protects that ball. Austin Ramos pushes the pace. Kicks it out, but ball will remain with Uno High School with 16 seconds to shoot. 48-46 our count. 4 minutes, 56 seconds remaining. Austin Ramos, give and go to Choa. John Michael Bautista, corner three is good.
Quick release there from John Michael Bautista. Gets that bullet three to go through the net on that corner three.
Sagutin ni Christian Chen. That elbow three from Masangkay Street is good for Pace Academy.
Christian Martin Chen answers back with a huge three right there. Pure confidence from the guard.
J.M. Bautista recovers it. Austin Ramos sidesteps and he will be fouled. 51-49, Pace Academy leading Uno High School. We're in the third quarter. Coach Chris King de la Cruz with Gino Estebanlar bringing to you the action of this exciting first game between Pace Academy and Uno High School. As we see on our screens, Coach Matthew Yu nag-iisip ng paraan.
Austin Ramos here at the line, leading his team with 12 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. Austin is indeed him for his squad today.
He's still in this element, Gino, you know. On track pa rin siyang makapuntos nung average niya. 21 points per game.
Of course, Coach Austin Ramos playing at his own speed, at his own pace, never rushing. Always aggressive. As we see here on the fast break, Austin Ramos converting once again.
Started with a good read there on the defensive end. Lim slices through the middle. Kicks it out to Kokabo. 3-point shot. And it will be good for Simon Kokabo.
Simon Kokabo and Pace Academy simply not going away here.
Barrage of 3-point shots here for Pace Academy as we see Wang Tachi imposing his might inside with that short stub underneath. There will be a foul called. Well, let's see. Steven Choa has not been in his element right now. Only 5 points in this game for Steven Choa. Averages 15 points per game. 9 rebounds. Medyo malayo pa doon sa sinasabing quota for Steven Choa. Oh,
you said it, Coach.
Wasted opportunity here for Pace Academy. Napalakas yung pasa ni Kokabo. Good defense there for Uno High School. Balik ngayon ang bola sa kanilang panig. 3 minutes, 19 seconds remaining. We're all tied up at 54. 14 seconds to shoot. Wang Tachi now Grand C kicks it out to Austin Ramos. Fakes. He uses the board. Steven Showa thought about it. One-handed floater. No good. Nelson Chen. Pace Academy now running. But it will go back to Uno High School. Austin Ramos loses the rock. Go 2-on-1, 2-on-2. Good recovery by Uno High School in that transition. J.M. Bautista. Good trail. Steven Chowa now. Austin Ramos fakes. Austin Ramos 4-3, no good. Simon Kokago skies high for that rebound.
Both teams playing hard here, coach. Nothing seeming to fall for either side, but definitely playing as aggressive as they possibly can be. You can see here both squads definitely want to come away with the win.
Both squads are patient. And still nothing there. Grand C securing that board. Austin Ramos seemingly talking to the ball. J.M. Bautista, no good from way beyond the babalik ang possession sa Pace Academy. 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining in their third quarter of this very intense matchup. We're tied up at 54 all.
Pero grabe no, coach. We were talking earlier about how Uno really needs to come away with the win here if they want to secure high seeding in the playoffs, which is going to be key if they want to walk away with this championship in this tournament.
Barandino still no good from the three-point line. And one factor here again, is the bench scoring. Pace Academy, 22 bench points against only 7 by Uno High School. As we see here, losing that handle after being found alone at the break by Wayne Barandino. Wasted opportunity here for Pace Academy.
Well, those bench points, Coach Chris, like you said, definitely fueling Pace Academy, but what's not fueling them is that turnover right there, along with the 15 other turnovers that they had throughout this ball game.
They've given Pace Academy 14 points off turnovers as we see. Austin Ramos answers with a bang from Abad Santos Avenue.
Austin Ramos pulling there 3 steps behind the line. Not the biggest guy on the court, but playing like he has the biggest cajones on this court today.
Austin Ramos proving that, hey, I'm the top guy here. This is my home. This is my house. Austin Ramos, 3-point attempt. No good this time, but J.M. Bautista turning, no good. Recovered now by the blue shirts. Kenneth Chen against 2 white shirts. Nothing there, but he will be fouled.
Good job there by Kenneth Chen to control his body on the fast break. Drawing the foul there with 26 seconds left to go.
Kenneth Chen sizzling hot today. 17 points. Make that 18 points for today for Kenneth Chen. Coupled by 7 rebounds. No good that time on the second try behind the stripe. Last 20 seconds for Uno High School to create, but they turn the ball over. 3-on-1. Uno quick to go down, but Kenneth Chen, corner 3, no good. Christian Chen skying high, no good. J.M. Bautista. Kenneth Chen, 1 second. Nothing there, and that would be it for this intense ball game for the third quarter. Uno High School on top, 57-55. We will be right back.
As we see here, the third quarter highlights brought to us by Smart Sports. Austin Ramos with the Sweet layup off the bump there. You see here J.M. Bautista, corner 3 with confidence. Austin Ramos has been leading his squad today, looking very aggressive. You see here pulling for 3.
And we will be right back after this break for the payoff period.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we're back here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium of Uno High School, right at the heart of Tondo, Manila. 57-55 is our count as we enter the payoff period. Uno High School on top. Slim lead.
Uno High School on the verge of securing their 5th win of the season, but will have to maintain their composure and have to play excellent defense and execute on offense in order to walk away with the win here.
Technical foul will be called. Let's see kung kanino. Oh. Miscommunication there on the part of Pace Academy, fielding in 6 players on the court. Those small details will hunt them later in this kind of close game, Gino.
Not the type of error you want to see here, Coach Chris. 6 players, obviously not allowed by the rules, and costing them an extra point to the hands of that Uno High School free throw. Not what you want to see here.
Back here to the action. Christian Chen, telegraphed by Austin Ramos, who will go all the way and no good. Steven Choa now contesting that possession. Wayne Barandino for Pace Academy. But he will be fouled by Win Lopez. Providing quality minutes here for the squad of Coach Matthew Yu. 21 seconds to shoot for Pace Academy. 58-55. Still Uno High School in the lead. Nelson Chen 100. No good, but second serving is also no good for Nelson Chen.
Nelson Chen, who has been doing all the little things for his team today, not able to convert there.
Medyo napalakas yung pectus dun sa board.
Yun nga, coach probably rushed it there. You know he wants those points back.
And kudos to the interior defense of Uno High School. Staying on their ground, bothering that putback by Kenneth or Nelson Chen. Grand C now. Steven Choa slices through the middle, and that's good for Steven Choa. 7 points now for this game.
Great move by Steven Choa, stopping on the dime on 1 foot. Gets that circus shot to go, as we see here. Kenneth Chen on the fast break. Lefty layup is good.
Kenneth Chen, 20 big points in this highly contested game. Never giving up. 3-point lead only for Uno High School. Austin Ramos, left-handed layup, malakas. Grand C, still second opportunity, third opportunity, no good. Ball will stay now for Uno High School.
As you see here, Jarvis Tyler Murray coming back into the ball game. One of the key contributors here for Uno High School, along with Austin Ramos. The white shirts have definitely been missing his presence here.
As we see in the replay, Steven Choa slices through the middle for that bucket. Again, Tyler Murray, no bothering that. And Kenneth Chen will go all the way.
Pace Academy pushing the pace once again. You can see here on that possession like that why they're dominating in terms of fast break points here today.
Pace Academy supporters getting alive this period. Isa na lamang po ang kanilang hinahabol, 60-59, but Kenneth Chen will be called for that foul. You see here that unmolested layup, lefty layup from Kenneth Chen.
Easy baskets, that's what you want to get if you're Pace Academy. You know you're going to be able to get them if you force a turnover, if you run.
Then Michael Bautista. Confusion there in that possession for Uno High School resulted to a turnover, 3-second violation. Lim gives it up to Christian Chen. Cabo thought about that three. Wayne Barandino. Lim now. Nelson Chen. Balik kay Lim for that three. Blocked by Steven Choa. Grand C. But loses the handle. And Nelson Chen alone underneath the basket. Lamang na po ulit ang Pace Academy, 61-60. 7 minutes, 23 seconds in the payoff period. Jarvis Marinaw. Grand C telling his brothers to settle down. Slices through the middle. No good. Wayne Barandino. As Pace Academy comes alive here in the fourth quarter. Nelson Chen being bothered by J.M. Bautista. Barandino thinking about the three. Good defense now. 4 seconds to shoot for Pace Academy. Nelson Chen, and the back is open on the southern ring for Nelson Chen. And which prompted Coach Matthew Yu to call a timeout for a ceasefire. Lamang po ang Pace Academy, 63-60. Magbabalik po kami. See here, Nelson Chen. We have a timeout. We'll be right back.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
And we're back from that ceasefire called by Coach Matthew Yu. 63-60 Pace Academy suddenly alive here in the fourth quarter.
Well, like we said earlier, Coach, Pace Academy doing all the right things, playing good defense, maintaining their composure as we see Austin Ramos slicing through the defense, able to get that easy layup to go.
Pace Academy. Barandino now dropping off to Nelson Chen. Nelson Chen doing the damage inside for Pace Academy. 16 points. Austin Ramos kicks it out. J.M. Bautista thought about the three, but he will travel and that possession will go back to Pace Academy.
Uno High School here with the costly turnovers. Not maintaining the composure that they need to show here in the fourth quarter if they want to walk away with the win and a potentially secured second seed.
Again, Austin Ramos bothered by Wayne Barandino on that fast break attempt. Wayne Barandino will be called for that hand check foul. His third personal foul. Wayne Barandino has not yet scored in this game, as we see here. Austin Ramos there being buttered by the defense of Wayne Barandino, being called for the third personal foul. 65-62. Still Pace Academy at the upper hand. Austin Ramos, nice grab pass underneath for Jarvis Mari.
Austin Ramos, quick eyes, quick hands, able to find his big man down low. Jarvis Tyler Mari with the easy bucket right there.
Timely substitution here for Coach Matthew Yu, fielding in Jarvis Mari, checking in his 13-point. Cabo from DA beyond, no good.
Pace Academy not able to convert there, had the open three.
Austin Ramos now loses the ball. Wayne Barandino, they have the numbers. Will go all the way, but he will be fouled upstairs there.
Wayne Barandino and the Pacers still pushing the break here. Having the chance here to score his first points of the ball game is Wayne Barandino. Definitely wants to lead his team to the victory right here.
Wayne Barandino playing the role of a very excellent facilitator, issuing 9 assists despite not scoring.
Wayne Barandino knows he doesn't have the hot hand tonight. He's not able to get his shots off like he normally would, so because of that, he wants to set up his teammates, find the open man, and because of that, Pace Academy here with a 2-point lead, potentially 3 after this free throw.
Gusto ko dito kay Wayne Barandino, pag nakahawak ng bola, tingin kagad sa kakampi. Surveying the floor already. That's the good sign of an excellent generalship for this young man of Pace Academy, Wayne Barandino. Pace Academy now 67-64, up by 3. Steven Choa. Tyler Mari, mid-range jumper, no good. Malamig off the bench. Cabo secures the ball. 4 minutes, 37 seconds remaining. Carl Lim, fall away, no good. Austin Ramos now. 3-on-2, but he will be fouled, challenging the defense of Pace Academy.
Austin Ramos and Uno High School will not go away. They can't if they want to be able to secure that second seed here in the PCYAA Season 11 playoffs.
Austin Ramos clocking in his usual numbers. That's his 22nd point already in this game. Overkota na siya, Gino. 21 points lang to si Austin Ramos, ang average niya every game.
Well, you know, Coach, it's not just about the numbers that you score. It's about the way that you're playing, the way that you're leading your team. Austin Ramos here not only getting the job done offensively, but also helping his team out, remaining aggressive, showing that energy, the type of energy that you want to see from a championship contender here, keeping his team afloat as we enter the final minutes of this ball game.
Leadership by example here by Austin Ramos. They're missing the services of their bench players, being outscored here by the bench players of Pace Academy. Kaya buhat na buhat tong si Austin Ramos ngayong laro na to, as we see Wayne Barandino, floater, no good. Grand C skying high for that rebound. Austin Ramos now spearheading the attack for Uno High School, kicking out to Grand C. Strong on that shot. Wayne Barandino now. They don't have the numbers. And Nelson Kenneth Shen. Good cut at the back door. Nice find by Wayne Barandino, but he will be shooting the line for 2.
Tyler Mari with his 5th foul on that one. See that cut right there, Coach? That's a mix of excellent reading as well as a hard cut. That's how you get the foul and the chance for 2 more free throws here late in the 4th quarter.
Wayne Barandino really knowing his teammates well. Isang tingin lang yun eh. Kumat na dun si Kenneth Chen.
And Kenneth Chen, of course, running hard. That's what he's been doing all game to keep his team afloat here, to keep his team up in this ball game. He's been running, he's been going hard, he's been getting those easy layups, he's been getting those fast break points. And because of that, Pace Academy here with a 2-point lead with 3 minutes and 35 left in the ball game.
Tyler Murray leaving the game with his 5th personal foul, finishing with 15.7 rebounds. Steven Choa way off. Carlim now being bothered by 2 white shirts. Gives it up to Kenneth Chen. No good. Grancy surveying the floor. Gives it up, but he was bothered by Wayne Barandino who stole the ball. Wayne Barandino now. Carlim. Christian Chen hands off to Wayne Barandino. Christian Chen from way beyond Abad Santos Avenue gives
huge 3 there by Chen.
Gives Pace Academy a 5-point lead with 2 minutes 37 seconds remaining. Austin Ramos trying to answer back. No good. Wayne Barandino calming his troops now. Being bothered by Steven Choa. But Steven Choa reached in for that foul.
Maybe getting a little overzealous there. Maybe some frustration. As we see here, Christian Martin Chen with a cold-blooded 3 to give Pace Academy their biggest lead of the ball game. We'll be right back after this timeout break.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
We are back here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium of Uno High School at the heart of Tondo, Manila. Kung may time po kayo, auntie, uncle, sama nyo na po lahat. Please troop here at our venue. We still have 2 more games remaining after this exciting ball game. Should be decided in the last 2 minutes and 24 seconds of this quarter. Pace Academy on top, 71-66. Wayne Barandino now gives it up. Nelson Chen, underneath. Pushes the lead to 73-66 for the boys of Coach Mike Oliver of Pace Academy. Perez now. Grancy turnaround, no good. As we enter the twilight zone. Lamang pa rin po ang Pace Academy, 73-66 as Wayne Barandino makes his move sa J.M. Bautista. Barandino gives it up to Kenneth Chen for 3, no good. Nelson Chen taps it to a brother, Kenneth Chen, no good. J.M. Bautista secures the rebound.
Kenneth Chen with a couple of attempts there. A lot of chances to push the lead up even further. As Pace Academy getting away with the steal here. Wayne Barandino with the ball.
Tough break there for Uno High School. But an unsportsmanlike foul is to be called against. Let's see.
Completely unnecessary move there from Austin Ramos. Clocked him right in the chest. You don't want that if you're Uno High School. That's 2 free throws plus ball possession with 1 minute 14 left in the ball game.
From the other side, you're down 7. You have a chance still to win this game. You're the main guy. teaching moment on the part of Coach Matthew Yu. Init ng laro eh. You cannot really blame the players here. Intensity of the game, frustration coming in.
I mean, with a performance like what you were seeing from Austin Ramos today, still finding themselves down 8 after being up for most of this ball game. Definitely frustration seeping in, but not what you want to see from your main man, especially towards the latter half of this competitive season.
And J.M. Bautista being caught pushing off there against Wayne Barandino. They're in penalty situation. Sends Wayne Barandino behind the free throw line. 75 to 66. Unti-unti na pong lumalayo ang mga bataan ni Coach Mike Oliver. Pace Academy with that 9-point lead.
And you know the Judenites and the new lifers are already licking their chops with the chance here at the second seed, as hopes are looking bleak for Uno High School in this ball game.
Time is not on the side of Uno High School on this particular stage of our ball game, as Grand C would try to score without the clock moving behind the free throw line, but it is a miss. Coach Matthew Yu still directing orders to his troops. Wondering what happened after that blitz in the second quarter. Still nothing there for Grand C.
But the ball stays here with Uno High School.
12 seconds to shoot. Ian Perez underneath, being bothered by 3 blue shirts. Still no good for Uno High School. Last 46 seconds. Grand C. Frustration foul.
A little too early for fouls like that. No need to foul, just gotta get the stop. But clearly frustration seeping in for the white shirts.
Last 46.2 seconds. Grand C sending Wayne Barandino at the free throw line. Free throws also has been a good part of the story on the part of Pace Academy. They had attempted 51 and made 26 out of those 52 attempts, while on the part of Uno High School, 18 out of 45 attempts, only 40%. Sorry, 12 out of 22, 30 for Pace Academy.
Well, like we've been saying all game, Coach, it's been a very physical ball game. You're going to get to the free throw line a lot if you remain aggressive, because you know your opponent's going to remain aggressive. So it's important and key to ensure that you're able to knock down those extra attempts when you get them.
Stand corrected that previous statement on the free throw. 15 out of 24 for Pace, 12 or 13 rather out of 23 for Uno High School. Still big disparity. Last 36 seconds. 10-point lead for Pace. Foul here by Uno High School. Marcos Chua being called for that personal foul. Carl Lim short on that first attempt.
And even still, Pace Academy with this huge, sizable lead with 35 seconds left. Not much Uno High School can do at this point to come back in this ball game.
Carl Lim misses both free throws. But Grand C finds Cho underneath. 8-point lead for Pace Academy, Wayne Barandino will be fouled. 25.3 seconds. Chance for him to ice this ball game, making this a 10-point lead for Pace Academy.
Matters looking very dim here for Uno High School, but when it comes to sports, when it comes to the game of basketball, anything can happen, Coach.
Wayne Barandino 6 in. Tama ka dun, anything can happen. Pace Academy did all the right things. Be able to secure the win here with 20 seconds remaining. Grand C, second serving, still good. 8 seconds remaining. 8-point lead, rather. 15.2 seconds remaining. Third personal foul for Marcus Chua. Again, Wayne Barandino, a better free throw shooter among all the players of Pace Academy, drilling his first 9-point lead now. 15.2 seconds. And the Pace Academy is en route to notching their second win. And Uno High School, last hurrah, finding the shot clock there, and Wayne Barandino will dribble it out, and Pace Academy will finish this tournament with a bang. 81-71 against Uno High School. Good way to finish this tournament. A lot of heroes here, headlined by Kenneth Chen, the Chen connection. Gino, no? Kenneth Chen with 23 points. Nelson Chen, 20 points. So you see here the highlights of the game.
Actually, not only Kenneth Chen here, Coach Chris, but many solid contributors here for Pace Academy, as you see in the highlights. Guys like Wayne Barandino, who may not have had the best game, but was definitely setting his teammates up. Nelson and Kenneth, as you mentioned. Guys like Carl Justin Lim, solid 13 points. And Christian Martin Chen, the big man, 5 of 6 from the field for 12 points in this ball game.
And I think what really spelled the difference here for Pace Academy is the 25 bench points scored by the second stringers.
As we've been talking about all game, Coach.
Against the 10 bench points by Uno High School.
Yes, Coach, as we've been talking about all game, it's been an evenly distributed contest for Pace Academy. Many solid contributors, all guys knowing their role, regardless of what it may be. What's important to them is that they come out with the win, as we see here the game highlights brought to us by Smart Sports here at the end of this ball game. Uno High School 71, Pace Academy 81. As you see here, Steven Choa with that up and under move. This guy right here, Carl Justin Lim, with a tough end one finish.
That big three-pointer of his in that fourth quarter run really sparked Pace Academy. Ginanahan dun sa three-pointer na yun, as we see here. No? Nelson Chen strong underneath the basket. Pace Academy doing the right things, and Uno High School will wait for the result of the game later of St. Jude Catholic School and MGC New Life Christian Academy.
Uno High School with a tough test ahead of them as well. Coming off of this loss is not what you want to be doing, knowing that you're going to be going up against the first seed, the undefeated St. Stephen's High School.
And our second game will be Jubilee Christian Academy against Philippine Cultural College, coming to you right away. This is Coach Chris King de la Cruz together with Gino Esteban Lar. Thank you very much, and we'll be back for the second game.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.